Vikings, welcome back to another school year. Just want to give you some quick updates as we move forward through athletics in the next couple weeks. As you'll see, we have a new website. It's not fully ready yet, as coaches are being trained on how to do it, but it's got new graphics, and then hopefully it'll have some new insights for you to help kind of keep you up to date with what's going on. You can create an account on here, and when you create an account, it'll keep you up to date with different schedules, updates as we move forward. Again, as this gets closer and as coaches begin setting things up, we will set you up soon. Also, as you move forward, make sure you have all of your information set up on Dragonfly. Make sure you have your account set up, and make sure you have all of your forms for your sports ready to go. You can turn this into your coach, or you can upload it on here. I will make sure to get everything approved and hopefully get your student athletes ready to go for the season. Some other quick reminders: you can watch our events on the NFHS networks for a small fee, and you can follow all of our games at the stadium and the gym in in these areas. Finally, if you'd like to buy tickets for football, for soccer, or for basketball, you can purchase these tickets on GoFan as well as purchase them at the gate. Again, if you have any questions, email adam.rich@hallco.org. We look forward to a great season in sports this year. And remember, go Vikings!